Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And we have an update on the Tiger project today, May 5th, 2021. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So the first item of news that we have in terms of the airplane is that the FAA Release. It was April 28th at 2:19 Central Time in the afternoon. Now we've begun the process of moving the pieces of the airplane from where they're stored now, bringing them down to our hangar. And as we've been doing that on each trip, Matt has been making a good inventory of the pieces that we have and their condition, so we make sure we don't lose anything in the move. Now, as part of any move like this, there's going to be a lot of walking pieces in and walking back out to get another load. Now, the one note that we do have from yesterday, as Matt remarked, that the pieces are very dusty, having been sitting in that nice environment for a while. So we'll be washing all the pieces as we go to put the dusty airplane back together. But it's coming along in pieces. Now, that was yesterday. We made 2 trips along with the inventory, bringing the pieces in. Now, today's plan is to bring the fuselage, the tail be finally taken off the last 4 bolts, and then those final pieces with the wings will be brought down to the hangar, and then we begin the process of starting to put it all back together after a good survey. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.